guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so super excited to be participating in the annual Show Some Love collaboration hosted by my good friend here on YouTube, Kimberly Davis with Diva Designing on a Dime. Hey Kimmy, thanks so much for hosting this collab. You know, I was going to join in. This is so much fun. So I would encourage all of you guys to be sure to go over to Kimberly's channel to check out her video as well as the playlist of all of the other participants. I will have that information listed in my description box down below. Now, so in this collaboration, Kimberly asked us to first share 3 things that we love, and then you can share your tablescape, your kitchen island, your coffee table, your end table, whatever table you decided to decorate for Valentine's Day. Now, so Kimberly asked us to share the 3 things that we love. So of course, you know, I love my husband, my children, my family. I love the Lord. So those are like a given. So I decided to share with you guys 3 things that you might not know, or you probably do know if you watch my channel. That number 1 is I love to decorate. I love decorating. It's cathartic for me. It's like an opportunity to relieve stress. Although sometimes it can be stressful when I'm trying to decide exactly what I want to do, but it's definitely something that I truly love and enjoy doing. It's definitely a passion for me. And then, so if I'm decorating, you know, I need items to decorate with, so I love shopping. I love shopping. Again, it's therapy for me. Like, retail therapy is real, guys. So I love shopping. Sometimes I like to just pop in the store just to see what they have and see if I can find a deal. That's really what I love. I love shopping, but finding bargains. So I like to get the most bang for my bucks. So speaking of which, I do have a huge shopping haul that's going to be coming up soon. So be sure to check back on my channel. I should be posting that within the next week or so. But anyway, the 3rd thing that I love, so I love decorating, I love shopping, and then I love to talk. I talk a lot. I try to kind of minimize things in my video so that it doesn't go on and on and on. But if we're in person, you guys will find that I'm quite the chatter box. I like to talk quite a bit. So anyway, those are 3 things that I love to do. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Now, let's get into this video. I will say that I am decorating my dining room table, and I'm doing 2 different looks, and I want you guys to comment down below and let me know which look did you like the most. Alrighty guys, so this should be a lot of fun. I'm interested in hearing what you guys say about which look you like the most. Alrighty guys, so let's get into this video. you all have really enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to click the thumbs up button to like the video. That lets me know that you guys have enjoyed it, and also lets YouTube know so they can keep it in the rotation for others to see. Alrighty guys, and also let me say a big thank you again to Kimberly for hosting this collaboration. It's so much fun. I look forward to it next year. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you've enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that notification bell so that you'll receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, you guys know the deal. I love you so much. I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.